You got what you wanted? Naomi, come here. Come here. Yeah. Hey. You found Mommy. Say, now what, Mommy? I came over to you. Show everyone where you fell and hurt your nose. Say bye, Naomi. You're bored? You're gonna crawl away? You have to hop over it. Be careful. That's what you do at school, and sometimes there's a baby in a chair like that. And you try to rock her. Is that how you rock the baby at school? Be careful. Are you rocking the animal? Okay. Bye-bye. Are you making the funny face Uncle Joshy taught you to make? Bye, Angel.